Question is saying that find this integral, giving your answer in the simplest form. And for integration and for even differentiation, we always, what we try to do, we first try to write it in the simplest form. For example, if I have to integrate this one, this is our 3x plus 2 square divided by 4 square root of x. This integral, yes. So I can apply a plus b whole square formula on this one. What it will be? It will be 9x square plus 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12x divided by 4x power 1 over 2 dx. Now from here I can write it as 9x square over 4x to the power 1 over 2 plus 4 over 4x power 1 over 2 plus 12x over 4x power 1 over 2 dx. Now what this will become? This will become 9 over 4 and x power 2 over x power 1 over 2. I can write it as x power 2 minus 1 over 2. So 2 minus 1 over 2, what it will be? I will take 2 minus 1 over 2. It will be 3 over 2. It means I can write it as x power 3 over 2. Plus this 4 will cancel with 4 and I can write it as x power minus 1 over 2. And this one plus 4 3 are 12 and x, this is x over x power 1 over 2. I mean I can write it as 1 minus 1 over 2, that will be 1 over 2. So x power 1 over 2 d of x. So now from here what we will do, we will integrate them separately. For this one, the integral when I will take, it will become 9 over 4 x power 3 over 2 plus for this one x power minus 1 over 2 dx, and for this one 3x power 1 over 2 dx. So from here now it will be 9 over 4 x power 3 over 2 dx plus x power minus 1 over 2 dx plus 3x power 1 over 2 dx. So we are going to get from here 9 over 4, add 1 in the power and divide by the same, because now it's in the simplest form and without power its derivative is 1, which is multiplying with that one. So 3 over 2 plus 1, if I will do 3 over 2 plus 1, I will get 5 over 2. So x power 5 over 2 plus, in this one when you will add 1, so you will be left with 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. Sorry, by the same power I have to divide as well. And plus 3, when I will add 1 in this power, so I will get 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. And plus constant of integration, because it is indefinite integral. So for indefinite integral, we must have to add the constant of integration. So now simplify this one. It will become 9 over 4 into 2 over 5, x power 5 over 2 plus that will become 2 over 1, 1 over 2 plus 3 into 2 over 3, x power 3 over 2 plus 3. So finally we are going to get this one 9 over 10 x power 5 over 2 plus 2 x power 1 over 2 plus 2 x power 3 over 2. That plus constant of integration, that is possible simplest form that we have. Now part 2 is saying as a curve has equation y is equal to f of x, and it's given that f dash x, the first thing that the first derivative of the curve is given is x square plus ax plus b, where a and b are the constants. The y-intercept of the curve is c, of c is minus 8, sorry. And you know, when we write, this is a quadratic equation, so obviously it means this is the y-intercept, because if we write the general quadratic ax square plus bx plus c, this is the y-intercept. So in this case, it's given that the y-intercept of this curve is given that the y-intercept of the curve is minus 8. So that is given here. Okay. So I will write it. It means it is if I will have the curve, so y-intercept of that curve is given, but sorry, this is given f dash x, it is not f of x. So first I have to find f dash x. This is, it should be, how I can find the curve when I have the first derivative? We need to integrate, because f of x is the curve. Always remember, y is equal to f of x is the curve. So I need to find f of x. So for that I will integrate it first. Okay, integrate the first derivative, you will get the curve. Now let's integrate this one. If I integrate that one, it will be x square plus ax plus b of x. Okay, separately integrate them. X square dx plus ax dx plus b dx. So from here now we will have add 1 in the power, divide by the same number, plus a is constant, and for this it will be x square over 2 and plus bx, and at the end constant of integration c. Okay, so this value of c actually is given, because now we have even if you have the cubic equation, the general cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this last value is called the y-intercept. So it means in this one it is given that the y-intercept of the curve is -8. So it means c is given. So it's given that c is equal to -8. So use this value. This is our f of x. So if I will use that one, it will be x cube over 3 plus ax square over 2 plus bx -8, because it is given that c is equal to -8. Here this point is clearly mentioning that one. Okay, so c we found here. Now what next we have to do? The next condition is given the point p 3 minus 2 lies on the curve. Okay, it means if I have if I take the point p, that is 3 2 3 minus 2 3 minus 2, it lies on curve. It is given. If it lies on the curve, it means if you will put this point in the curve, it will satisfy. This value is x, this value is y. So what I will do, because you know this is actually y is equal to f of x. So in other words, it is given that when your x will be 3, what it means? It means that x is equal to 3, so y will be equal to -2. That is the meaning of this point. So use these values here in this one. What I will have now -2, because the curve is y. So -2 is equal to, in place of x put 3. So it will be 3 cube divided by 3 plus a into 3 square divided by 2 plus b into 3 minus 8. So what I will get? I will get -2 is equal to that will be 9. If you simplify that one, it will be 9 plus 3 power 2 9. So from here I will have now a into 9 over 2 plus 3b minus 8. So -2 will be equal to 9 minus 8 will be 1 plus 9 over 2a plus 3b. So I can make one equation from here. Take 1 to the other side. -2 minus 1 is equal to 9 over 2a plus 3b. So from here now it will be -3 is equal to 9 over 2a plus 3b. So we are going to take it to the other side now. No, we cannot. Sorry, it is something. So multiply with 2 first. -6 is equal to 9a plus 3b. So say this is your equation number 1. Okay. Now second condition is given here, that the gradient of the curve at p is 2. Now how do we take the gradient in the first derivative? In the first derivative, we put a certain value, we get the gradient there. Okay. So it's given that the gradient of the curve at p is 2. It means, in other words, it's given that f dash x is equal to 2. Okay. So if f dash x is equal to 2, so what I will get at point p? Point p is what? Point p is mean x is equal to 3 It's given that, in other words, what it means, try to understand this point. This point is saying that actually at point P, the value of x, because f dash x is in terms of x, okay? So if x is equal to 3, f dash x will be equal to 2. That is given. So use that one. F dash x is ax square plus bx, x square plus ax plus b. This is f dash x. F dash x is it's x square plus ax plus b. And it's given that when x is equal to 3, f dash x is equal to 2. Because gradient is always by putting the value of x in the first derivative, we get the gradient. So because if you have y is equal to f of x, how do we take the gradient? The gradient we take, for example, at x is equal to a. So gradient will be f dash x at x is equal to a. That will give me the gradient. So now it's given that the gradient is 2, okay, at the point P. Point P is 3 minus 2. So of course the value of x we will take. So x value mean at x is equal to 3, the gradient is given. Gradient means the derivative will be 2 when you will put x is equal to 3. So use these two values here, please. Put x is equal to 3 and f dash x equals to 2 in this one. So what we will have here, we will have 2 equals to, now 3 square plus a into 3 plus b. So I will have now 2 is equal to 9 plus 3a plus b. So we are going to take 9 to the other side. It will be 2 minus 9 is equal to 3a plus b. So 3a plus b will be equal to minus 7. Say this is equation number 2. Now solve equation number 1 and 2 simultaneously. I have two equations here. One is 9a plus 3b is equal to minus 6. The other one is 3a plus b. So I can equate the coefficient, multiply it with 3. Okay. Now the other one is 3a plus b is equal to minus 7. So, or what you can do, it will be more better if you take the value of b. For example, let's take the value of b from here. It will be minus 7 plus 3a. Okay, this value of b put in this one. You will have 9a plus 3 into minus 7 plus 3a is equal to minus 6. So 9a equals to minus 20, no, sorry, not equal, minus 21 plus 9a equals to minus 6. So 9 plus 9, 18a, minus 21 is equal to minus 6. So from here I will have 18a is equal to minus 6 plus 21, which will be 15, 18a. So a will be equal to 15 over 18. So 15 over 18, if you write in the lowest form, 15 divided by 18. In the lowest form will be 5 over 6. And this value of a finally you put here. So you will get b equals to minus 7 plus 3 into 5 over 6. So minus 7 plus 3 into 5 over 6. It's minus 9 over 2. So the value of b is minus 9 over 2.